Imagine fresh vegetables growing in the desert. Picture lush strawberries thriving in the Arctic. What if I told you we can grow food anywhere, anytime, without soil? This isn't science fiction, it's hydroponics. Hydroponics is changing how we think about farming. It's a modern solution for a world that needs more food. And it's a sustainable answer to our planet's biggest challenges. Let's dive into the world of hydroponics and discover how it's shaping the future of food. Hydroponics is more than just a trend. It's a necessary step towards a food-secure future. Join me as we explore this fascinating world of plants and pipes. Hydroponics is a simple idea: grow plants without soil. Instead of dirt, plants get nutrients from water. This water is enriched with everything plants need to grow big and strong. Picture this: plants with their roots bathed in a nutrient-rich solution, flowing through pipes. No more digging in the dirt. This method allows for precise control over what the plants eat and drink. This controlled environment leads to faster growth and bigger yields. With hydroponics, we can say goodbye to traditional farming limitations and hello to a world of possibilities. Hydroponics offers incredible benefits for our planet and its people. First, it saves water. Hydroponic systems use up to 90% less water than traditional farming. Water is recycled, making it a precious resource in water-scarce regions. Second, hydroponics requires no soil. This means we can grow food in places where land is limited, like deserts or urban areas. Imagine skyscrapers transformed into vertical farms, providing fresh food for city dwellers. Finally, hydroponics reduces waste and the need for pesticides. It's a cleaner, more sustainable way to grow our food. Section 4. Hydroponics around the world. Hydroponics is already making a difference globally. From small-scale urban farms to large commercial operations, people everywhere are embracing this innovative technology. In the Netherlands, high-tech greenhouses use hydroponics to grow massive amounts of tomatoes, cucumbers, and peppers year-round. In arid regions like the Middle East, hydroponics is transforming deserts into fertile oases, providing fresh produce to local communities. From Australia to Antarctica, hydroponics is proving that we can grow food anywhere, regardless of climate or soil conditions. Section 5. Growing power. The future is hydroponic. Hydroponics empowers us to take control of our food production. Imagine growing fresh, pesticide-free vegetables in your own home year-round. This is the promise of hydroponics, a future where anyone can become a farmer. With hydroponics, we can address global food security concerns, reduce our environmental impact, and create a more sustainable future. It's time to embrace this revolutionary technology and explore its full potential. Learn more about hydroponics, experiment with it, and spread the word. The future of farming is here, and it's growing in pipes.